Hello, and welcome back to another day of Mr. Allen's Random Videos. Today we talk the Bernoulli Effect. The what? That's right, the Bernoulli Effect. Science, which relates to both fluids and air. So, basically it's saying this, that if you increase the speed of either fluid and air on one side of an object, it's going to decrease the pressure on that side of the object. I'm going to show you some experiments that will probably win you some bets if you play them right. So, you're welcome. But the Bernoulli effect is used to explain why airplanes fly. So if you take the beveled top edge of an airplane wing, the reason it's beveled is it actually is increasing the speed over the top of that wing, which then decreases the pressure. So, on the bottom, you have a slower movement of air, which causes then higher pressure, which gives the plane uplift, which is why planes can fly. Thank you, Wright brothers. So, let's kill it. Let's do some Bernoulli effect experiments. I'm excited. Get excited. Science is awesome. Okay, so the basics of the Bernoulli effect is that if I increase the speed of the air or a fluid over something, it's going to then decrease that pressure, which is then going to increase the pressure on something else, which should push it in a different direction. So if I blow over the top of a piece of paper, it's going to increase the speed over the top and then increase the pressure on the bottom. So the bottom will kick up. Now watch. Pretty sweet, huh? You would think it would go the other way, but it doesn't, because science is not typical. Alright, so I got two ping pong balls hanging from the ceiling. Instead of what you would think, if you blew air between the two ping pong balls, they would kick out. However, because of the Bernoulli effect, they won't. This one, people, this is where you could start winning a little bit of cash. Ready? Yeah, you see that? Bernoulli effect, people. Oh, there you are. So, using the Bernoulli effect, we're going to take my two sparkling water cans here, and we're going to actually make them clap together without pushing them together. So, how we're going to do that is we're going to increase the pressure on the outside by blowing air and increasing the speed of the air on the inside. So, that's going to decrease the pressure. The pressure is going to push them together. Here we go. Yeah! Science! Okay, another way to demonstrate the Bernoulli effect is to use a leaf blower and a tennis ball. So, I almost dropped it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the speed of the air under the tennis ball, and then I'm going to increase the pressure on the top because I'm moving air from the bottom. So, here we go. This one's one of my favorites. Almost. Here we go. Yeah! Science! Notice that it spins. It's spinning the way where the air is moving the fastest. There it is! Woo-hoo! Science! Alright, the last example of the Bernoulli effect is my favorite. You gotta have some toilet paper, which I know is like gold these days. Something round to hold the toilet paper. And then you're gonna blow air with a leaf blower on the bottom part of the toilet paper to send her flying. This is fun. Here we go. Woo! Science! I gotta go roll that toilet paper back up. It's our last roll. And, if the Bernoulli effect isn't enough for you, you can always just take the ping pong balls and light them on fire. Woo-hoo-hoo! Maybe don't do it in your house. Probably not a great idea.